Let's get over to Ines Ferre at the markets. She's looking at the markets for us here on this challenging session. I can't even get out of my mouth. I'm so excited. Ines.
No, that's okay. You said it like it was in Spanish. Ferre. Anyways, Brian, let's take a look right now at the markets because we are looking at the Dow that's down more than 500 points on our Wi-Fi interactive board. Over on the NASDAQ, we are watching the NASDAQ down more than 1.5% and the S&P 500 down 1.8%. We've spoken about this before. The U.S. dollar index, that's coming in strong, above 109. Looking at the sector action, all 11 sectors of the S&P 500 are in the red, and you've got energy stocks which are lagging the most. Julie mentioned the oil prices which are tumbling today. Looking at the Dow also, all 30 Dow components are in the red, with the banks, JP Morgan down more than 4%. The NASDAQ composite, you can see a lot of red on the screen, especially these mega caps. Tesla down 2%, Meta down more than 3%. I mentioned the banks, but I just want to reiterate the amount of pressure that we are seeing on these banks after the earnings kickoff today. And then the travel stocks, taking a look at these, a little bit of a mixed action here, guys.
Well, Ines, I have to say, after our chocolate discussion, I'm doing a little online looking, and I have sticker shock already just from looking at some of the truffle prices. You talked to a grocery chain operator. How are consumers responding to higher prices? I think I've just decided not to purchase.
Yeah, well, I spoke to Mike Davidson. He is the CEO of Buehler's Fresh Foods over in Ohio. They own about 14 grocery stores, some liquor stores, some restaurants. And he said consumers are reacting to inflation. And he basically confirmed some of the trends that you guys have spoken about. Consumers trading down, going to generic brands. Also, he talked about units being down. So even though revenue is up, unit movement is down. And in layman's lingo, this means that consumers are buying less units of food, and grocery stores try to get as many units out the door as they can because they want to get fresher product on the shelves. And then finally, he also talked about luxury foods, less essential foods like the seafood department. He said that's been struggling. So consumers are not buying as many lobsters, as many crabs as they would otherwise, as well as also high-end liquor. So those pricey liquor bottles aren't moving off the shelves as fast.
News you can use for sure on all of this. Thank you so much, Ines. Appreciate it.